Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn your static documents into an interactive AI knowledge base using aicuflow's drag and knowledge graph features. So let's get into it. So to get started, you can open an existing flow or create a new one. Drag is attached directly to your flow, meaning all your data stays organized in one place. So first, let's head to the file manager, which is the second icon right here in the left toolbar. And let's upload our documents here. So just click on the plus icon and select your files. Once you have them selected, just click on upload and confirm. Notice that the ready here means the file is uploaded, and index will appear here once our AI has processed it. If you have messy data, you can use the data transformation node first, but for now these PDFs are good to go. Now click on the star at the top right here. To bring this data to life, I'll click on the Recalculate Index button right here. Confirm. And behind the scenes, aicuflow is doing two things. It's creating vector embeddings for semantic search and simultaneously extracting entities and relationships to build a knowledge graph. You can watch the status update in real time here. This may take a few minutes depending on the amount of data, but usually it's pretty quick. And there you go, your knowledge graph is now ready. Before we start chatting with the data, let's get a deeper view. So this isn't just a list, it's a visual map of your data. The larger nodes represent central themes or people. And if I click on a node, I can see its direct connections. The entity detail panel on the right shows me descriptions and the exact source snippets from my documents where this entity appears. You can scroll down and take a look. And it's perfect for seeing the big picture before you even ask a question. You can switch over to the Mentions tab, and here you'll find the exact references as well. You also have several other options such as Read Layout, Tight, Spread, and Show Relations. If you click on it and zoom in, you'll also see the relations connecting these two. Now let's talk to our data. You can do that by simply typing in the text box on the left side of your screen. And I'll ask a high-level question and let's